Set timer for 30 minutes.
Today's video is a 30-minute clean with me. I'm cleaning during my lunch break. I've got my to-do list together and I'm gonna try to get through as much of it as I can during this next 30 minutes. So get your to-do list ready and let's clean together. I'm starting in my laundry room. I've got some towels that I need to fold that have been dried. I always fold everything here in my laundry room so that it doesn't pile up and this laundry basket doesn't get overflowing, or I just leave it around and never get to it, because that is something that I know we all struggle with, is actually folding and putting away our clean laundry. So I try my best to do all of it right here, right out of the dryer, in the laundry room, and then get everything put away as soon as it is done. After I do this, I do have more towels in the washer. I started all of this morning. Now it is my lunch break. I do work full-time from home. Thankfully, I have the opportunity to get some of my cleaning tasks done around the house during my lunch break. So I always like to start laundry in the morning before my work begins and then change it over during my lunch break. Leave a comment down below if you too work from home or if you work full-time out of the office and would benefit from having 30 minutes to get some of these tasks done. If you are new here, my name is Bridget. Welcome to my channel. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and I love these quick little 30-minute clean with me's to help get you motivated. I had a lot of laundry to catch up on this day that I was filming. Last week I didn't get to very much of it because my son ended up getting an ear infection, so he was home with me for a couple days, which makes cleaning the house a little bit more challenging. So I am having some catch up to do this week. My son is going to be 2 in a couple days, and it has been so exciting to watch him over this last 2 years. We can't wait to see what his year of being 2 is like and all that he learns to do. Now I'm in his room. His room needs a good cleaning, especially after him being sick. I want to just make sure I clean down everything, so I'm doing his dresser. We have this changing pad here. I'm just going to wipe this all down. This has been great if you are looking for a changing pad. I don't know what the material is, but you just can wipe it down and it just cleans right away. It's been super easy to use and we've really loved having it. We've just put it right here on top of his dresser to make it a lot easier and save us some space. His room is not the biggest room in the world and it's worked out really well. We got it right from Amazon if you're looking for something like that. Leave a comment down below. Do you have kids? What are their ages? I'd love to get to know some of you. I noticed his windows were super dirty, so I'm just going to take this time to clean those really quick. I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner. Now I've got this large basket of laundry to fold. We got a lot of clothes for him for Christmas, which is really exciting. So I just have to go through all of this, get it all folded and put away so that we can start to use it. He, surprisingly, for me at least, it was surprising this might be normal, and I'm sure this will be normal going forward. As I remember as a child, you got new clothes like when the seasons changed or the start of the school year, that kind of thing. He was in pretty much the same size throughout the whole past year, but going from him being an infant where he changed clothes so often to him not changing sizes throughout this year, I thought was really funny, and we just had to get different clothes for him when the seasons changed. So now he has finally grown, and we have definitely noticed his height of like where he can see out the windows and different things that he used to be able to stand right under. He can no longer because he just whacks his head. So it is really fun and exciting to watch him grow, and also a little sad because he definitely is not looking like a baby anymore. He looks much more like a toddler. If you are new here, I am from Massachusetts. Please leave a comment letting me know where you're from. I love to read and hear where you're from and what your weather is like. We had our second snowstorm during this week, so it is very cold. I woke up this morning and it was like 10 degrees out. There's still snow on the ground and a lot of ice we've had the last few days, which has been fun and very exciting that there is snow. My son absolutely loves it. He is a January baby, so that's not surprising. He doesn't mind being in the cold at all. So please leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear where you are from. I showed our first big snowstorm in a previous video. I believe it was 2 videos ago, my whole house clean with me. If you'd like to see what that looks like, if you don't have snow where you are, it was absolutely beautiful that day. So go check out that video so you can take a glimpse at it. I hope that this video is providing you with lots of cleaning motivation. I know folding clothes can be rather boring, but I hope that you are folding along with me, as I know laundry is never ending, something we're constantly doing here in our motherhood journey. So I hope as you are that you feel like you're just here hanging out with a friend. I appreciate you being here and hanging out with me. Now I'm going to vacuum. This rug was absolutely disgusting and needed such a vacuum. I should have given you a little bit of a close-up so you could see a little better. I think I just need to get rid of this rug. I do like it so much. I love that it's navy and it has like all the sports on it. It goes with his room so well, but when we got it, for some reason it creased here in the middle, as you can see, and I cannot figure out a way to get rid of it. If you have any tips or tricks on if I can, or if it's just not possible, I would like to save it, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna eventually have to just get rid of it. Now moving to the staircase, it needed to be vacuumed desperately. We have a black lab mix and she sheds like crazy, so I have to keep up with our vacuuming on a daily basis. And these stairs I have been neglecting because they're not something I think about until like we're going upstairs, which we don't go upstairs all that often throughout the day. Majority of my day is spent downstairs. So I'm going to give them a very good vacuum. My son is almost 2 and he's in this stage where he's collecting fuzzies and giving them to us. So anytime we go upstairs, he's a big boy and wants to crawl up them himself. He's collecting things the whole way up and handing them to us. So I've got to make sure I keep up with these a little bit more. This home has been such a blessing to us. We've lived here for the past 5 years and have greatly enjoyed it. I hope that my channel and me showing you my cleaning routines gives you lots of motivation, but also allows you to get a little bit of joy and blessing from my home as well. Everything that we have in our life, I am so grateful for and hope that we can share, even if it's in this small little way of sharing on YouTube. I know I've gotten a lot of inspiration and motivation, done some like futuristic dreaming and thinking while watching others share on their YouTube videos, so I hope that I can be that kind of place for you as well. I've got a little bit of time left on my clock, so I'm going to try my best to get all the dishes done out of the sink before I have to get back to work. here's my timer going off. I've hit my 30-minute mark. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you got lots of motivation. Can't wait to see you back here on Tuesday.